Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to verify email address in Character AI. So first, what you want to do is click on the sign up button right here, of course, and just input your email right here. Once you're done with that, just need to click on answer, and you need to go back to your email. So I'm just gonna open up my email and show you guys how to verify your email. And as you can see here, the prompt will be sent to you, and if you want to log in or use your account, just need to click on login to Character AI right here. It will redirect you to the website. Just wait for it to load. Once it's all loaded up, you will need to input your birth date. So it's up to you. So I'm just gonna put mine. Something like that. Then just click on continue. And now you have now verified and created your Character AI account. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.